Hey guys, and guess what? I've got another car unboxing, and this is one that's going to make Heath fall off his chair. This is an awesome purchase I've just done today, and this is why Heath's going to fall off this chair. Look at that. Yeah, I bought myself a Holden, but not really for the body. It's mainly for the, because this is a petrol powered remote control car. Now this was on special with this body, and I plan to get a Ford body to go on it, so don't worry. I just got it because I wanted a remote control car for some other reasons. I'm going to put the GoPro on it and do some fun stuff with that. And this was $100 cheaper than the other ones, which all the difference was a different body. So I bought this, and so looks like that might be the remote control starter. Let's pull this thing out, if I can get it out. Okay. Oh, yeah, like that. That way you can then pull it out. That box over there, it's such a wide angle, but still see it there. And here we have, this is a remote control petrol powered car. And I've been looking at getting a remote control for quite a while, and I was just going to buy electric, good old electric one, but this one was there. And I've always been tempted about these petrol powered ones, so I thought, you know, for the price I got this from the Toy World, I only went looking for my kids and ended up buying myself something too. Oh, but I'm a big kid anyway, so why not? My daughter's on the floor over there with her new toy. Look, there's a whole lot of toys, tools and stuff required for startup. So I'm going to have to read it, but I probably won't be. How do I do this bit? Okay. Okay. Put that up there. Polystyrene everywhere. Now one thing I do know here is if you pull these little pins here, take these little rubber things off, take these off, and that just comes off. It's just a plastic shell basically, very thin and sleepy. Take these bits off. And this is the heart of the whole thing. See, petrol powered, it's got a petrol motor there, you've got the pull starter thing here. You've got a fuel tank, battery pack for where the batteries have to go in. And the batteries are only for the remote control side, and the little motor I think that does it turns this is electric. Apparently this thing can do over 90 kilometers an hour, so if I put this out on my road at the front here, I can break the speed limit. It's got no speedo. So you got that, a little exhaust pipe and that, so we got all that there. And then this other box, we've even got a DVD. Okay, I wonder what that is. I've got a lot of reading to do before we can try and start this thing up. What else have we got here? We've got the starter pack, which is a whole lot of more little tools. The glow, you need that to be able to start the engine and stuff. It comes with all the tools that you require. So we've got that, and of course the remote control. So we've got the good old remote. Takes 4 AA batteries. You get the usual steering wheel there. And you've got reverse, servo ST. I really don't know what that means, truthfully. Primer, I think. I don't really know too much. I'll have to read the manuals. So yes, we got that. We've got the starter kit. We've got this. Now this chassis alone, I can get it. I want to get a Brocky 05 Tirana. I would like to get that, but it was an extra $100. So by getting this, I can then go and buy those bodies. Apparently painted up about $50. So I can go and buy a different body to put on it. The main reason why I got it is for this, the main chassis, and the body's got to be strong enough to be able to put it's got suspension. You've got adjustable suspension front and rear, fully independent actually too. There you go. Apparently there's a 2-speed gearbox in it, so don't know exactly how that works. And yeah. That's it, there's our unboxing. It's going to make Heath fall off his chair that was actually a Holden. I know. I bought it for this, but for the Holden. Getting a different body on it when I can track that down. I'll get a Ford body to put on it. Okay guys, catch you guys later.